Alright guys, let's break down how an HVAC system is wired and how it all works together. First up, we have the thermostat. This is what you use to control the temperature in your home. It tells the system when to heat or cool. Typically, the thermostat has 5 key wires, red for 24-volt power, green for the fan, white for heat, yellow for the compressor, and common, which is often blue. So, let's say it's a hot day and you want to turn on your air conditioner. When you adjust the thermostat, it connects the power, red, to the yellow wire for the compressor and the green wire for the fan, which tells the air conditioner to kick in. Now, what about the furnace? That's where the white wire comes into play. When you need heat, the thermostat connects red to white, signaling the furnace to turn on and blow warm air. Remember, the furnace is inside your house, and the air conditioning unit is outside, but they work together. They're connected by thermostat wires, which can run from your thermostat to the furnace, and from the furnace to the outdoor AC unit. Each wire has a specific job, but they all work together to keep your home comfortable. Whether you need heat or AC, just like a battery has a positive and negative. We use red for power and blue for common to wires that make the system work. One thing to keep in mind, if you ever connect the R power to the C common directly, it will short out, just like touching the positive and negative on a battery. So, always be careful with those connections. In the field, understanding this wiring is crucial for troubleshooting and installation. It's simple once you get the hang of it. Just remember what each color does, and you'll be able to wire up an HVAC system like a professional.